everyone, how are you? So today we are to discuss one of the classes of biological molecules entitled nucleic acids. How do we define nucleic acids? Well, the nucleic acids are the biopolymers or small biomolecules essential to all known forms of life. So even insects flying around and the all flowers blooming have these all nucleic acids. They are composed of monomers, which are nucleotides made of three components: the carbon, sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. These simple components allow nucleotides to join together to make polymers like DNA and RNA, as well as the energy-carrying molecules like ATP. The nucleic acid is simply a component of the larger molecules, which has a monosaccharide bonded to it. Generally speaking, the nucleic acids can come into two naturally occurring varieties: the DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid and the RNA or ribonucleic acid. So let us first discuss the first variety, the DNA. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid, a self-replicating material present in nearly all living organisms as the main constituent of chromosomes. It is also the carrier of our genetic information. DNA bears the hereditary information that passed on from parents to children, providing instructions for how to make the many proteins needed to build and maintaining functioning cells, tissues, and organisms. So basically, this is how a DNA looks like. The two DNA strands are called polynucleotides since they are composed of simple monomer units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of one of four nitrogen, containing nucleobases, cyto, guanine, adenine, or thymine, a sugar called deoxyribose, and a phosphate group. The nucleotides are joined to one another in a chain by covalent bonds between the sugar of one nucleotide and the phosphate of the next, resulting in an alternating phosphate backbone. Alright, so these are the structures of the nucleotides that I have mentioned before. As you can see, all of them have nitrogen containing nucleobases. The two strands of DNA runs in opposite directions to each other and are thus anti-parallel. Attached to each sugar is one of four types of the nucleobases. Within eukaryotic cells, DNA is organized into long structures called chromosomes. During cell division, these chromosomes are duplicated in the process of DNA replicates, providing each cell its own complete set of chromosomes. Is a polyremic molecule essential in various biological roles in coding, decoding, regulation, and expression of genes. Okay, so let's now proceed to another variety of nucleic acids, the RNA or ribonucleic acids. RNA is usually single-stranded, while DNA is usually double-stranded. In addition, contains ribose while DNA contains deoxyribose. The main job of RNA is to transfer the genetic code needed for the creation of protein from the nucleus to the ribosome. So this picture shows the two sugar incorporated with the varieties of nucleic acids. This one here is the deoxyribose, is for the DNA. It's for the acids, while the ribose here is for the RNA. Types of RNA. The messenger RNA, or mRNA, plays an important role in the transcription of DNA. Transcription is the process of in the protein synthesis that involves copying the genetic information contained within DNA into an RNA message. Transfer RNA, or the tRNA, plays an important role in the translation portion of protein synthesis. Its job is to translate the message within the nucleotide sequences of mRNA into specific amino acid sequences. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA, is the RNA component of the ribosome and is essential for protein synthesis in all living organisms. Ribosomal RNA proteins are assembled on ribosomes, which are made up of many proteins as well as the ribosomal RNA. Okay, so the ribonucleic acids also have different types of these include mRNA or messenger RNA, tRNA or transfer RNA, and RNA or ribosomal RNA. Okay, we're now done with the two varieties of nucleic acids. So let's now proceed to the other matter I've been mentioning since before, the nucleotides. Nucleotides are organic molecules that serves as the monomer units for forming the nucleic acids polymer, deoxyribonucleic acids or the DNA, and ribonucleic acids, the RNA, both which are essential biomolecules on the life forms on Earth. Nucleotides are organic molecules that serves as the monomer units for forming the nucleic acids polymers, deoxyribonucleic acid and the ribonucleic acids, both which are essential biomolecules on life forms on Earth. Also plays a central role in life form metabolism at a fundamental cellular level, carry packets of the chemical energy throughout the cell to the many cellular function demands energy. A nucleotide is composed of three distinctive chemical subunits, a 5-carbon sugar molecule, a nitrogenous base, which two together are nucleoside. So, that's all for today. I hope I gave you enough information to understand nucleic acids and nucleotides. If you have further questions, just contact our website. Thank you.